Guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm gonna be showing you what I did for my client today. My client wanted spring twist. That was what I was doing. So though I fast the video because the video was too long, so I'm gonna be explaining to you guys what I did on this video. So there are 3 different ways you can achieve spring twist. One is you can use the knotless way, you can keep adding, while the second one you can use the client natural hair. The third one you can divide the extension, so for you to be able to grip the client hair. So my client have short hair at the back, some are long, some are short. So what I did, I divide the extension, so make it into 3 parts for me to be able to grip my client hair. So because sometimes you might have a client who have short hair, you don't have to be scared about it. So all you could do, you just have to learn to grip the client hair. One thing that I really I was able to take note was when I was doing my client hair, she was like, oh, the hair is too long, so I have to cut it. So that's why sometimes when you want to do the spring twist, don't do it too tight, don't do it too loose, because sometimes you might have accident on the way, so you just have to figure it out. So that was what I did for my client. She was like, oh, the hair is too long, because she was the one who bought the hair, so she bought the wrong length. So I was so happy because that was at the back. So as you can see, I'm already at the top of the hair. I'm sorry guys that I skipped the video because the video was too long. So the fact that I put a little gold on it, I like the fact that the hair was a little bit highlight. That was one thing I really love about this hair. The hair came out so nice. Her hair was beautiful. She loved it because she have always loved short hair. So if there's any video you guys want me to teach you guys how to grip, just let me know in the comment section. And if today is your first time coming across my video and you are not yet subscribed, hit the subscribe button so whenever I post a video, you'll be the first to be notified. Guys, help your sister. I need to get to my watch hours, and I want to say a very big thank you to my return subscriber. I love you guys so much. I love you guys so much. If you have any question for me, there's something you guys want me to do, just leave it in the comment section. I'm ready to do it for you guys. So that was it. So the hair came out nice. My client was happy. I was happy too. She loved her hair. That was it. So I'm going to see you guys in my next video. Do not forget to like my video, comment on my video, share my video, so that as many people can see my video. I love you guys. I'm going to leave you guys here to enjoy this video. Bye guys.